And our team coverage moves now to the impact the Delta variant is having on South Florida hospitals. Tonight, there is an urgent plea from doctors at Memorial Health.
CBS 4's Peter Dench is live tonight in Miramar with what doctors are asking all of us to do. Peter?
Well, Elliot, the chief of critical care, says the Memorial Healthcare system is dealing with its third major spike in COVID cases since the start of the pandemic, and he hopes people will listen to his plea. He says a fourth of the system's 1,650 patients have the coronavirus. Dr. Aaron Sorelli is alarmed by what he has seen inside COVID intensive care units at the Memorial Healthcare system.
The biggest tragedy that we see is a preventable loss of life. It's when people pay the ultimate price.
This is new video being released by Memorial Healthcare. There's been a huge surge in the number of people needing help.
This morning we had over 420 patients that were admitted with COVID. At the moment we have 55 patients in our intensive care units. In the intensive care unit at the moment, we have 55 COVID patients fighting for their lives. Only one of them has had a vaccination. So since June 19th up to today, we've seen a fourfold rise in the amount of cases that have been hospitalized. The number continues to grow every day.
It deeply troubles Juana Mejia, the COVID ICU nurse manager.
Most of these patients are in their 30s, the 40s, and 50s. It's very sad to have someone dying in the ICU by themselves.
It is taking its toll.
I will tell you that nurses, especially ICU nurses, we are tired, we are exhausted.
Dr. Sorelli says there's also been an increase in the number of children with COVID, but most have mild or moderate symptoms.
Thank God, one of the things that we haven't seen with this virus, even up to today, is massive amounts of children getting critically ill.
Dr. Sorelli says he's heard different estimates on when this new wave of infections will peak, ranging from mid-August to mid-September.
The best way to stop this virus and to deal with this virus is not to get it in the first place. The way each one of us can do it is by getting vaccinated.
Dr. Sorelli says the Memorial Healthcare system has 200 ventilators for 6 hospitals, and he says that is more than adequate at this point. He also says 61% of the employees here have been vaccinated, but that number is growing. He also expressed concern about misinformation being conveyed about the vaccines, which are safe and effective. We're live in Miramar. Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.